Come on, stand up with us tonight. Have you come ready to worship Jesus? I said, have you come ready to worship Jesus? If you have, lift your hands and say, Jesus, I'm ready. After a while, it'll all be over. Yeah. After a while, the sun's gonna shine. Yes, it is. After a while, dark clouds will hang over. We're gonna shout hallelujah after while. Put your hands together like that. Hey, that's right. Here we go. After a while, it'll all be over. After a while, the sun's gonna shine. After a while, dark clouds will pass over. We're gonna shout hallelujah. Sing that again. Yeah, after a while, it'll all be over. After a while, the sun's gonna shine. Yeah, after a while, dark clouds will pass over. We're gonna shout hallelujah. After a while, sing and shake.
Sometimes the road is so rocky, and those hills are hard to climb.
Hey,
My closest friends may forsake me. God will fix it all right after a
come on,
while.
sing it now. After a while, it'll all be over. After a while, the sun's gonna shine. After a while, the cloud will pass over. We're gonna shout hallelujah. Sing that second verse.
Sometimes my way gets so bitter,
Hey,
so bitter that I wanna cry. But through my tears, I call on Jesus. He'll fix it all right after a
sing it
while.
now. After a while, it'll all be over. After a while, the sun's gonna shine. After a while, the cloud will pass over. We're gonna shout, sing that again. After a while, yeah, after a while, it'll all be over. After a while, the sun's gonna shine. After a while, the cloud will pass over. We're gonna shout, just a little while. Yeah, just a little while to stay here. Just a little while to wait. Yeah, just a little while to labor in the path that's always straight. Oh, just a little more of trouble in this low and sinful state. Been willing to heaven's over. We're gonna shout